Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can export your WeChat chat history. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your WeChat app, and once it gets opened up, you need to simply log in into your account. So after you're logged in into your account, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to click on the Me option. So once you press on the Me option, you will end up in this page where you need to simply press on the settings. So after clicking on settings, you need to click on the general option, and then you need to select the backup and migrate chat and simply press on migrate chats to another device or backup chat history to computer. So to migrate in device, you need to simply press on any of these options and simply scan through your other phone. So this is how you export your WeChat chat history on another device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.